for writing. No, it is clear. It is clear, my dears. हाँ हाँ write down. State. No, it is clear, right? अरे my dear, it is showing very much. State whether the lines you increase the brightness of your phone. State whether the lines are parallel, intersecting, perpendicular, bisector. You have to no, board is clear. हाँ now you see it will not become blur. Now see, it is clear. No, it is there full. New page. I am reading the question. State whether the lines are parallel, intersecting, perpendicular or perpendicular bisector. State whether the lines are parallel, intersecting. One chapter. This is completely fundamental concept of geometry. New chapter. State whether the lines are parallel, intersecting, perpendicular, bisector. Yes, mute the microphone. Mute the microphone, all of you. Board is clear. State whether the lines are parallel, intersecting, perpendicular or perpendicular bisector. Intersecting line means both the line cut each other at one common point, and line has arrow at both the end. We can extend both the end of the line. Yes. That starting new chapter, fundamental concept of geometry. Now write, state whether the lines are parallel, intersecting, perpendicular bisector. The line has arrow at both the end. Arrow means you can extend the line. You can extend the line from arrow side. Whereas a ray has one point and one arrow. Bisector. 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 Now check whether the lines are parallel, intersecting, perpendicular, perpendicular. That we'll see. That we'll discuss afterwards, not right now. State whether the lines are parallel, intersecting, perpendicular bisector. It is, no, board is full. You see that? You see the adjustment of your phone. It is very much clear. Yes. Now see, we can. It is clear, right? We can extend the line. We can extend the line and see whether they are intersecting or not. We can extend the line. When we extend the line, both the lines they are intersecting. So first is intersecting line. Because when you extend the intersecting line, that we'll see afterwards. When you extend the arrow end of the line, both the lines intersect each other. One. When you extend the arrow ends of the line, in the diagram it is A, B, C, D. The line is CD and AB. So AB and CD, they are intersecting lines. So write down AB and CD are intersecting lines. AB and CD they are intersecting lines. AB and CD, they are intersecting lines. Now let us see the second one. We have two lines, PQ and RS. PQ and RS are two lines. Now this line RS and this line PQ, they are perpendicular because this is 90 degree. 90 degree means they are perpendicular. 90 degree means they are perpendicular. Second thing, the line PQ is divided. The line PQ is divided. OP is same as OQ. So the line RS divide the line PQ perpendicularly. So line RS is perpendicular bisector of line PQ. Right. Line no, they are perpendicular. No, they are perpendicular because no, we are talking about second one. We have the line PQ and we have the line RS. They are perpendicular. My dear, no, my dear, you can extend the line, but both the line meet each other. Both the line meet each other at 90 degree. At 90 degree, both the line meet, so they are perpendicular. And PQ is divided. PQ is divided. So line RS is perpendicular bisector. Line RS is perpendicular. Perpendicular bisector. Line RS is perpendicular bisector of line PQ. Line RS is perpendicular bisector of line PQ. 1 minute. Line RS, now it is clear, right? Line RS, now it is clear, right? Line RS is perpendicular bisector of line PQ. We'll see. Line RS, A. Line RS, this is my line RS and this is perpendicular to line PQ and line PQ is divided. It is now clear, right? Line PQ is divided. So RS is perpendicular bisector of line PQ. Line RS is perpendicular bisector of line. It is clear, right? Now third one. Now you extend the line. When you extend the line, they never cut each other. When you extend the line, they never cut each other. When you extend the line, they never cut each other. That means they are. So no, they will not intersect. How they will? They are not intersecting. They are not intersecting. So when the lines are not intersecting, they are parallel. So AB and CD are parallel lines. AB and CD are parallel lines. You see the internet speed of your phone, because from our end, mute the microphone. Line AB and line CD are parallel lines. Now fourth one, AB and CD, they are second one, see here, this is my line RS and this is line my PQ. Now they are perpendicular. No, how AB and CD? First one. No problem. First one, they are intersecting. Second one, they are perpendicular. Second, that is PQ is perpendicular to RS and PQ is divided. PQ is divided. OP is same as OQ. So RS is perpendicular bisector of line PQ. Now next is now third is AB and CD. When you extend the line, they never meet each other. They never meet each other means they are parallel lines. Now fourth one, AB and CD. AB is perpendicular. This symbol is perpendicular. Perpendicular means 90 degree. So when AB and CD, they are perpendicular and CD is not divided. CD is not divided, so only they are perpendicular. So write lines AB. Not all the sides are equal. See, no. Not all the sides are equal. Only this OP and OQ are equal. See the symbol. This is equal symbol. OP and OQ are equal. Not OR and OS. OR and OS, they need not be equal. Only OP and OQ is equal. That means line. No. It will not be perpendicular bisector because line CD is not divided. Line CD is not divided. Line CD is not divided. Here PQ is divided. So they are perpendicular bisector. But here CD is not divided, but they are perpendicular. So line AB and line CD are perpendicular lines. This symbol is there, no? This symbol, see, this symbol means they are equal. OQ is same as OP. OQ is same as OP. This symbol means they are divided. But there is no such symbol. Line CD is not divided. Only AB and CD are perpendicular. So lines AB and CD are perpendicular lines. Line AB and line CD are perpendicular lines. Right? It is clear. Lines AB and lines CD are perpendicular lines. Right. Lines AB and lines CD are perpendicular lines. Yes. Now mute the microphone. Now let us do the second question. Let us do the second question. Let us do the second question. Yes. Mute the microphone. Mute the microphone, please. Lot of disturbances are there. Mute the microphone. Still somebody is sending the request at this moment. Now lines AB and CD, they are perpendicular. Now second question. Find the maximum. Second question. It is clear, right? Find the maximum and minimum. Find the maximum and minimum point of intersection. Find the maximum and minimum point of intersections. You send it. You send it. A three lines. Find the maximum and minimum point of intersection with 3 lines. And B is 4 lines. 4 lines. Also draw the figures in each case. Find the maximum and minimum point of intersection with 3 lines and 4 lines. Also draw the figures. Also draw the figures in each case. Write down. Find the maximum and minimum point of intersection with 3 lines and 4 lines. Also draw the figures in each case. Yes, mute the microphone. Find the maximum. It is clear, right? Find the maximum and minimum point of intersection with 3 lines and 4 lines. Now you can see the video. You see the video. Draw the 3 lines. For 3 lines, find the maximum and minimum point of intersection with 3 lines, 4 lines. Also draw the figures in each case. Yes. A for 3 lines. A for 3 lines. Find the maximum and minimum point of intersection with 3 lines, 4 lines. Also draw the figures in each case. Now let us draw for maximum. For maximum, write on this. Maximum point of intersection. Maximum point of intersection for 3 lines. Right. Board is clear, right? Maximum point of intersection for 3 lines. Draw this. For 3 lines, you can take the lines. 3 lines, line L, line M, line L, line M, line M and line N. Right. 3 lines, then it is right, clear. Line line L, line M, line N. 3 lines are there and they intersect each other at 3 points. A, B and C. A, B, C. So when 3 lines intersect each other, the maximum point of intersection is 3. So you write maximum point of intersection. Maximum point of intersection is 3. Maximum point of intersection is 3 points. Maximum point of intersection is 3 points. That is A, B, C. A, B, C are the point of intersection. So there are 3 points. Maximum point of intersection. Find the maximum and minimum point of intersection with 3 lines, 4 lines. Minimum. Also draw the figures in each case. Now when 3 lines intersect, the maximum point of intersection is 3 points. 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. Now we'll do for minimum. We'll do for minimum. No, now we have to do for minimum point of intersection. Minimum point of intersection. Minimum point of intersection. You have to. Yes. Now take 3 lines. This only. Take 3 lines. Line L, line M, line L, line M and line N. When 3 lines intersect each other, minimum point of intersection is 1 point P. So write, when 3 lines intersect each other, minimum point of intersection is 1. Minimum point of intersection is 1 point, that is P. Board is clear, right? Board is clear. Alright, minimum point of intersection. Minimum point of intersection. Minimum point of intersection. Minimum point of intersection is 1 point. Is 1 point. Is 1 point, that is P. when three line intersect. Yes, right. Now do for four line. Do for four line. Yes, right. When three lines intersect, maximum point of intersection is 3, A, B, C. And minimum point of intersection is 1. Line M, line N, they three intersect each other. Maximum point of intersection is 3 points. A, B, C are the 3 points of intersection. For minimum 3 line, no, line L, underline, line L, line M, line N, all three, they intersect each other. So when all the three lines intersect each other, what is maximum point of intersection? Maximum point of intersection is 3 points. A, B, C are the point of intersection. Maximum point of intersection is 3 lines and minimum point of intersection is 1 point P. Now we will do for 4 lines. We will do for 4 lines. Do for 4 lines. Yes. You have to draw 5 lines. What is there? Point. See. This is my. This line. They intersect each other at 1 point P. This is my point of intersection. 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 And this is my PP. Line L, line M, line N. L, M, N. They intersect each other at 1 point P. Now we'll do for 4 lines. Do for 4 lines. 4 lines. 4 lines. Now take the 4 lines. Yes. Now mute. And now mute the microphone. Yes. Mute the microphone. 4 lines. Yes. Line L. Yes. No current. Line L. Line M. Line L. Line M. Now 3 lines they intersect. And this is my line N. Straight. N. L, M, N. 3 lines. Now we have to draw one more line. One more line I have to draw. I can take one more line in this way. I can take one more line in this way. L, M, N. We can take the line P. So total there are 4 lines. Line L, line M, line N and line P. Now you find out the point of intersection. Point of intersection is this point, this point, this point, this point, this point and this point. There are 5. They are the point of intersection. You can name this as A. Point of intersection as A, B, C, D, E and F. How many points are there in the intersection? 6 points. A, B, C, D, E, F. For 4 line, no. Maximum you have to take 4 lines. You have to intersect 4 lines to each other. This is my line L, line M, line N and line P. They intersect where the line cut each other. That is my point of intersection. A, B, they cut each other. C, D, E, F. So maximum point of intersection is 6. Maximum point of intersection. Maximum point of intersection for 4 line. Maximum point of intersection is 6 points. What are the 6 points? A, B, C, D, E, F. These 6 points are the point of intersection where the line meet each other. See, where the two lines meet each other, that is my point of intersection. So for 4 line, the maximum point of intersection is 6. Let us take minimum point of intersection for. Let us take minimum point of intersection for 4 line. Line L, then line M, then line N, and line P. In this way we can draw. So total there are 4 lines. Yes, total there are 4 lines. L, M, N, P. All the point they intersect each other at one point, that is A. Minimum point of intersection is A. So write minimum point of intersection is 1 point. Minimum point of intersection. Minimum point of A. Minimum point of intersection is 1 point A. 1 point A. Minimum point of intersection is 1 point A. So for 3 lines, for 3 intersecting lines, the maximum point of intersection is 3, minimum point of intersection is A. Now can we say, now see here, we have seen the definition of concurrent lines. For minimum point of intersection, all the lines they are concurrent to each other, yes or no? All the lines they are concurrent to each other. So whenever all the lines meet each other at one common point, the lines are concurrent. So for 3 line, minimum point, the lines are concurrent. For 4 lines, the minimum point, they are concurrent. Intersecting line means both the lines intersect each other at one point. Both the lines meet each other at one point. Now all of you have to solve the problem and immediately send me on the WhatsApp. Now your time starts now. Do not write the problem, start writing the solution. Your time starts now. Your time starts now. First, wait, board is clear, my dear. First, start. Now it is clear, right? The sum of two integers is minus 78 if one of them is minus 39, find the other. If one of them is minus 39, find the other. Second, simplify. That I will decide. Simplify 142.7 plus 39.84 minus 58.782 minus 36.70. 142.7 plus 39.84 minus 58.782 minus 36.70. Then third, the sum of two fractions the sum of two fractions is the sum of two fractions is 8 upon 15. If one of the fraction is 2 upon 5, find the other fraction. Yes. After getting the you send me on the WhatsApp immediately. Write your name and send me on the WhatsApp. Then I will give the sum of two integers. The sum of two integers is minus 78. If one of them is minus 39, find the other. Start solving. The sum of two integers is, it is very much clear, right? Is minus 78. If one of them is minus 39. Do not send it right now, send it afterwards, because in between I will not see that. Send me all the together. Yes. Then fourth one. Simplify one. Write the question. Now on this WhatsApp you send me the detail. Sum is 9930732714. On this number you send me the WhatsApp. Find the value of. Start solving. Find the value of. Find the value of minus 37 plus 28 minus 14 plus 39 or plus 58. Find out. Fifth. Start. Then fifth. What should be added to 32.87 to obtain 78.39. Yes, do not present, please. Sixth. Yes. Sixth. Shyam had mobile number, WhatsApp number. On this WhatsApp you have to send me. Shyam had rupees 700 with him. Shyam had around 1 o'clock. Shyam had rupees 700 with him. He spent rupees 5.89 for pencil, and rupees 47.83 for notebook. How much money is left with him? Start solving. Whoever will solve all the 6 problems, he will be the winner of this active participation. Start solving. हाँ, write the solution. हाँ, simplify. Simplify 142.7 plus 39.84 minus 58.782 minus 36.70. Yes, get answer. Get. So you can go through this video. This video I will upload it before 12:30. So try to solve this and practice this. Fourth question. Find the value of minus 37 plus 28 minus 14 plus 58. Those who have completed, they can leave. Now Monday onwards, all the best for the exams. Now we are not going to meet because no period. And if there is any doubt, you can call me on the WhatsApp. You can. Yes, you can call me on the WhatsApp for your doubts. Bye. Yes, those who have completed, they can leave. Bye. Yes. And those who have completed, they can leave.